Hey, what's up? It's your girl Nye, and this is Slay the Renee Way, a place where passionate entrepreneurs can come to grow, glow, and succeed in their small businesses. So if that sounds like you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because your girl is dropping gem after gem after gem. Today I have something really exciting for you guys. How to effectively launch your products or launch your small business using these key important steps. We're going to be talking about how we can use Kim Kardashian's Skims brand and Rihanna's Fenty Beauty brand as an example or a model as to how you can actually launch your brand effectively and get those sales rolling in on the first day of your launch. So if you're interested in learning about how you can launch your brand and start to make sales on your launch day, go ahead and keep watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up right now and let's jump right into it. Alright, so I know y'all here to learn about how you can actually launch your products and do it using a model that Kim Kardashian and both Rihanna have used in both of their Fenty Beauty and Skims brands. So I'm not even going to waste y'all time. I'm going to give it to y'all quick and straight to the point in 3 easy steps. Step number 1 is to flood your social media with all of the posts that you can think of and create about your new product launch. Anytime that you have a new piece of content that is relevant to the new products that you are launching, post them, okay? If we're using Skims by Kim Kardashian as an example, the reason why Skims always has a very successful launch, just besides her being a celebrity, looking at her marketing strategy, they're not afraid to post. I feel like a lot of us as entrepreneurs may feel like we're being annoying or we're being spammy, or people will get like irritated with seeing us just post. I'm going to let you guys know right now, the way that the algorithms work, a lot of your customers and subscribers and followers or whatever are probably not even seeing your post. So the way to bring more brand awareness and to make sure that every single person who is following you is receiving some sort of initiative and some sort of notification that you are launching a new product on said day and said time, you have to post consistently and a lot, okay? That's just simple as that. If we're looking at Skims' social media page right here, you'll notice that she normally posts, or they normally post about 9 to 10 times about one product before it even launches, okay? They may not post every single day, or it may not be a couple of times a day, but there is at least 9 posts about one product. And I went through the page and I saw for myself. Something else that I noticed is that we may get the fear of what people will say in our personal life as opposed to what our customers are looking for. So first of all, if you have people in your personal life that are following your business page, they're probably not even your target audience or going to be a customer. So I would go ahead and recommend just removing them from your page altogether. Have no shame, okay? The only way to get your brand out there is to continue to post and increase the engagement that you are having with your products. If it's one product and you post it 10 times, at least most of your followers should have seen it at least once, okay? If you post it and you just say, oh, I'm launching on this day and this is the product I'm launching, and you just never bring it up again, even if the person who saw it, they probably are going to forget. So you have to continuously remind your followers and your customers as to what the product is, when it will be launched, and have no shame in it, okay? And release the fear, because the fear is what's holding you back from getting your money, sis. So go ahead and post. If you haven't posted 10 times about your product, this is your reminder to post 15 times about your product. That's tip number 1. So now let's move on to tip number 2. Tip number 2 is something that a lot of us as small business owners might miss out on money because we're just simply not doing this. And it's okay, because your girl's about to put y'all on. So something else that I noticed with all of these larger brands like Skims and Fenty Beauty is that before they launch, they always have a wait list on their website. So here's an example of what that might look like. It's like a email capture form that's on your website that will collect emails from potential customers or followers or anyone who's interested in being notified about updates about your launch before it launches. So here's something that I really recommend you guys check out or do for yourself in your small businesses, because even if they're not on social media all the time, even if they're not scouring through your website all the time, they check their email. Everybody checks their email. So you continuously are using your email marketing before you're actually posting. The same content that you just posted 10 times on your social media feeds, reiterate that, repurpose that, use it in your email newsletter. That way anyone who's not actively on social media is still receiving updates about your new launch or your new product or your new website updates, whatever the case may be. Sign up below to get early access to our new launch or early access to our new drop, or to get new updates about what we're launching and when we'll be launching and things like that. So the key takeaway that I'm going to give you guys about this is exclusivity and early access. I want to say, not only are you doing email marketing before your launch, but you're also getting that hype, like building up that anticipation for whatever the product launch may be. People want to feel as though they're going to have some sort of inclusion with the launching process, especially if they already like your brand, especially if they're interested in the product, and especially if they've been watching you continuously post about this product. Yeah, girl, I want to make sure I'm one of the first people on the website so I can get mine before it sells out. So that's a brand marketing strategy that I've seen a lot of the bigger brands that we know from celebrities. They utilize that in their launching strategy, and just because they're a celebrity doesn't mean we can't do it too. As a matter of fact, as small business owners, we should be looking at these models because obviously they're successful in them. And I did want to take away some of those notes because it's just important that we're not missing out on money in any way, shape, or form. We put in all this work behind the scenes. We do want to see a good outcome when we do launch our products. So tip number 2 is something that you do not want to forget about. If you have any questions about what a wait list is or how you can actually create one, comment that down below. I'll try to get like a separate video out for that, but let me know if you guys are interested. Now let's move on to tip number 3. Tip number 3, and what I've learned by looking at some of these larger corporations and brands, is to be consistent and repetitive in your launch marketing strategy. Okay, so this is going back to tip number 1, where we are consistently posting and giving updates about our launch, letting our customers know as many times as we possibly can what's coming and when it is coming. The reason why consistency and repetition go hand in hand with a launch is because you can be repetitive in your captions, you can be repetitive in what you're saying, but if you're not consistent in making sure that the information is getting out there on all of your platforms in every single way that it can be diversified into, email marketing, content marketing, customer engagement, you have to rinse, reuse, and repeat, okay? If something that you're doing, you're noticing is working, continue to do that. And that is where you'll get the results from. Skims and Fenty Beauty, y'all, they are not afraid to be repetitive in their captions and their posting at all. You will basically see like the same template of text in every single caption. Here's the product that we're launching. Here's the date that we're launching it. Here's our website name, something like that. I'll include some screenshots of what those different captions may look like, but they're very consistent and they're very repetitive. There's no way that if you're following them, you're going to miss their posts, you're not going to know when the launch is, and you're going to not know what the time of the launch is or what the product is because of the consistency and the repetition. You have to keep this in the back of your customer's mind. They may go on about their day. They may see 300 posts within 30 minutes, you know, like it's going to be hard for them to retain what it is that you said unless you make sure that you're consistent and repetitive in what it is that you're saying, what the time is, what the product is, and when you want them to be notified of when to go shop. So those are 3 really, really useful tips that I've just picked up on, and I've used them myself and will continue to use them. But I did want to let you guys know, since I know a lot of you guys are ready to start launching your businesses. So I want to see some of these strategies implemented in your launch. And if you did find anything useful or helpful, comment that down below. Let me know what that was so that I can start to generate more videos like this. Or if you have any more questions about how to launch your business, what's a good marketing strategy, anything related to launching your business, that's the type of kick that I'm on right now because I'm also interested in launching something very soon. So I just wanted to give you guys those helpful tips. Go ahead and like this video right now. If you did like it, subscribe to my channel. Help me get to 100,000 boss babes so I can teach more girls. And go ahead and comment down below and let me know what you learned if you like this video. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.